Henan Zhongyuan Roller Company Limited was founded in 2004, with rich experience in grain processing industry. Our company is hammering at the R&D and manufacture of grain machines and flour equipment all the time, with abundant experience and technology theory base about the design, manufacture, installation, debugging, and technical training of flour equipment complete project. Our main products are flour mill machine, maize mill machine, bucket elevator, screw conveyor, flour sifter, complete set flour production line, and steel structure warehouse, totally 6 series of 120 varieties. Our company can undertake turnkey project for the 10T to 2400T, 24-hour wheat flour milling production line, and all kinds of maize flour processing line, including designing, manufacturing, installation, commissioning, and spares supply. Our products are supplied to many countries and areas, such as Europe, Africa, Mid-East, Asia, and gain wide trust and popularity from our customers. We have established an amicable international market atmosphere. We have been adhering to the tenet of quality first, integrity management, service to customers, mutual development. We have been innovating and pursuing better qualities unremittingly. Welcome you to take a visit of our factory and looking forward to working with you in future. We will spare no efforts to provide you with the professional service and technical design and qualified products